or torta. Torta.
Little truck.
What's in it?
Mini truck.
Mini truck. The child prodigy.
Mini truck.
Yeah,
That's Pozjoker.
That
Learn one.
Let's move on.
Mini truck.
MonarchSynchro.
Hey,
I don't know who that guy is right there with the Lakers.
Mine is right here.
MonarchSynchro?
Yeah, they call him Minus.
Or torta?
They call you what? Torta?
They call him torta.
Oh.
These motherfuckers fucking kill with that shit. What the fuck?
Look around.
Alright, we're gonna walk around.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You're the leader.
Alright. What's up, man? What's up? What's up?
I put in my minus also.
What's up, guys? What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey.
You've never seen technology before? Here's where they preview decks, I guess.
Oh.
This guy's had the OCZ 6-cam and Barry.
Yeah, it's over there. In the corner.
A little good, you know.
We got
Little good?
TN Collector.
What's up? How's it going?
Walk around, walk around.
Oh, there you are. There you are. Hey, let's show them where the best place to buy packs.
Oh,
Hey, let's show 'em.
vendors.
You know the
vendors.
place where you get the 2 monster binders for $10? Let's go that one.
Where the fuck is that?
Here, follow.
There's a place like that? I'm gonna go.
It's the mini ones though, but still.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, we're going. We're going.
Oh, and we get to pass your favorite too, Alex Reynolds.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna buy that?
Following Lala Lakers.
I wish I could change my name, but they won't let me.
Oh,
Here's
who's this guy?
Here's the guy where you can rip off sometimes. Oh, here, this guy.
Vietnamese people?
There's some fruit juice.
Other Vietnamese people?
Oh yeah. I don't know. I hardly ever sell to them.
Oh,
There's Alex.
got SSA cards.
Oh yeah, I
What the fuck? La, 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 la. I'm showing motion. Motion feature.
This is like you're here with us. It's amazing.
Oh, no.
It's like a virtual.
This is our TeamDTF business trip. Just came up on
I like
hundreds
the
and
stand. Sometimes other people don't.
yeah, this is the cage stand.
I like it though.
They sell lots of mats. Lots and lots of mats. They're opening up finally. Oh. Hello. Dfishfan is walking off. This keeps walking.
Pretty much, this stand is where I don't know. To me, this is where I buy my sleeves and my packs and deck boxes.
Those are the bad sleeves.
What?
Those are the bad sleeves.
No, but you can get more. Like they have good ones too.
Yeah, they're like
For
$2.
decent price, yeah.
$2 for 1,000 sleeves.
Right here.
Some shit like that?
One of the entrances
Right
is
here.
over there, so it's like 3 rows in.
Over there.
So look at it right here.
This guy sells a lot of stuff. Special. And yeah, this guy sells a bunch of stuff.
So I pulled my warning in.
Anyway. Oh, more
What?
money? More money?
Plus.
Anyways.
I'm gonna buy something here. Hold on.
And yeah, they sell lots of stuff, guys. What up?
Alright, so I bought some packs. I'm here by the trash so I can throw away Isaac when I'm done.
Damn. Hustle? see.
Nothing.
What scroll? I need that.
Here, I want Andrew to open the pack.
Andrew's lucky, dog.
Yeah, no, exactly.
Andrew's real lucky. He pulled my Super Soroka.
Oh, nothing.
He says nothing.
Nothing? Already?
How did you
I
know?
already feel it.
Power Giant OP, dog. I call it.
Woo! She's not bad.
So that's cheaper. What's over here?
The worst.
Watch
Rare.
Pro?
Another watch pro? Are you serious?
Just kidding. I know, this is cheap. This is cheap anyway, guys.
One bag. Oh my. Oh my. Really? Should I rub it? Should I spank it? No?
I'll spank it.
Spank it. Okay.
What is that?
Getting
Those
kinda hard.
tennis shoes?
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Oh, Watch Pro.
Oh, garbage, nib.
What the fuck? You're pulling like Shonen doors. So we got him buying Star Trek buns. There you go. Let's go. Let's go find the area.
Full garbage, I have to send it
If he pulls garbage, he's gonna vendor.
I'm gonna vendor
Isaac.
all my-
Vendor Isaac for labor. Where do you want to do this, guy? Let's sit down. Let's go get a check. Over here. Over here. Over here. Hit to the left. La, la, la. We're at Frankenstein's random stuff. Huh?
Remember the box opening?
Oh yeah, we did. This is box opening number 2?
We pulled on the good shit.
I know. I'm the big one. Oh, another vendor. Hi, vendor. Alright.
It was so funny though.
Get right here.
Someone pulled 9 ultras, no glow bulbs. 9 ultras, no supers, and
Hey, hold it.
like 2 secrets.
I'd rather have ultras
Alright.
than supers. Yeah. Well, it was like power giants and shit galore.
Power Giant.
What's here?
Oh,
There we go. Hey, no, comments. Oh, okay.
Alright, I got one.
I click all comments.
Vendor. Why did you just Why did you have to say Power Giant?
Oh, not bad.
Oh, look at it. It seems like
He's already
it
getting
seems like
that.
this one box that I saw. Because there was a lot of that shit.
I'm not
too.
checking anymore.
Wait, is that super?
That's
I
all
thought
the
it was
ultras
ultra.
already. I better put ultra.
What the fuck?
So I
Fuck you.
swear your card.
Fuck you, Iceberry. There you go, right there.
Garbage, very lots of money.
What's in here?
Oh, that's the secret.
Garbage
That's the
secret.
secret, alright. What are the secrets?
Garbage, all garbage.
All of them are
There's
garbage.
a lot of garbage. Yeah.
Who wants that secret?
No one. I've been trying to get rid of it
$1.
forever.
Oh no, man.
Put my money back.
But I tricked you, guys.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. Traded the Smitty, stupid. Whatever.
He's gonna watch
He's not gonna watch it. I'll just mute my part.
I like that.
Yeah.
That is sexy, though. You got a ghost too? Dang, dog, you've been pulling colors.
Oh, there we go.
Dang, you already
Getting
made most of
better.
your money back there.
No, I don't know about that.
It's coming back, I see it.
Not even half.
You're halfway already. Oh, that power game's like $1. I forgot. Oh,
There you go. Now he's out for sure. Look at his face.
I'm gonna have to spend that $5.
I know. I should resell them. $20.
Once you pull the gold bulb, we're reselling a pack.
I can't pull it anymore.
You can't?
It's impossible.
No, it's not.
Physically
It's impossible.
Nah, it's not.
You didn't pull the ulti yet.
I pulled the good.
You pulled
Go for
ulti
places.
then. Huh?
It's possible.
Go for a place.
The odds are like.
Well, I could, but
What's
I don't think he's that
It's
champion.
like how you said like fucking David Gold floats to the top and shit. Some fuck.
this is the can't pull like. And you did cards like the zinc or something.
Remember when I pulled Susan? That's so sad. I didn't even want Susan.
Okay.
Pulled Susan.
Cards for the ninja deck.
What chapter?
I have like so much card trade.
You want me to pull the glove off?
Alright.
Oh!
Dude.
There's the ulti. I told you.
There's garbage.
Stop right there.
Alright, selling these packs.
Selling these packs?
Oh, look at that.
Alright.
Oh, you're all over the
Let's stop right here. Let's sell these packs. Oh.
Still a lot left, actually. You might be able to pull like 3 more ultras.
I know, I already pulled